Hi friends! Okay, so today we're going to be making a tornado in a bottle. And all I need is a few ingredients and I will just get started. Okay, so first you just need a container, like a jar, or this is just like a Starbucks bottle, and you fill it with water. You fill it not all the way up because you want to make sure that you can get that swirling motion. So I kind of filled it up halfway. And then ooh, sorry, I put it on tight. And then you just need a drop of Dawn soap, or just whatever dish soap you have. Just a drop, okay? And then you need some glitter. Not too much. I'm using a funnel because I don't want to have to clean up glitter everywhere. Okay, that's good because it's a small bottle. Okay. And then you want to make sure that the lid is on very tight, and you just got to shake it up because you want to make sure that the glitter is all around, okay? And then once it's shaken up, you just have to twirl it. So, because tornadoes, they go like this. They go very fast, around and around and around, like a merry-go-round. So when you want to make your tornado, you want to make sure the bottle is going very, very fast. Around and around and around and around. There you go. You see? Whoa. Okay, let's try to do it again. It was actually making like a really cool one. Let me see. Cool, huh? Let's try one more time. I'm not really satisfied with these tornadoes. There you go, that's better. You see at the bottom? Whoa. Cool, right? You just gotta keep twirling it around and around. And go like this, around and around. Make sure if you're doing this with a glass bottle, you're holding on tight because we don't want to have an accident. Okay. You see? Whoa. Oh, that was cool. You see the glitter at the bottom? That was actually really cool. I'm going to try and do it again. Sorry if this is boring, but I'm very entertained by this. All right. Let's try one more time. And it's really pretty glitter. You can use whatever glitter you like, whatever bottle you like. But you have to really make sure you shake it all around and around. All right, here we go. Well, that wasn't as cool. So one more time. This is actually the last time. Because I want these to be cool for you guys. And if not, this is actually like a really cool sensory bottle. You can just watch it. It's taken me a while to figure it out, so it'll probably take your child a little bit to figure it out too. There you go. Whoa. Cool. Okay. There's our tornado in a bottle. Make sure you have a mom or dad help you do this because there's some items that can break or stuff that gets everywhere. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay. Whoa. And I will see you guys later. Okay, I love it. I miss you guys.